Hey, welcome back to the farm. Today we're looking at my Buick Skylark. Just got it back on the road a few days ago. Well, I never had it on the road. My dad bought it in 1989 and never did anything with it. So we decided it was in nice enough condition and it's about time to put it back on the road. So we did. It's in pretty nice shape. Very, very little rust in certain spots. Just kind of painted those rims there. They were kind of rusted. International red. And the previous owner there, he took the bench seat out of the front, put a couple of GTO seats in it. I really like this blue. It's got a metallic look to it. I don't know what color it actually is. The original color for this car, according to the number on it there, it's like a pale blue. Well, there you can kind of see it. Not in too bad a shape at all. It's a sleeper car. Previous owner, I guess, took it to the track and everything once in a while. It's got a racing transmission filter in it. You put a posi rear end in it. And he put a 455 in it. Originally, this car had a V6 in it. She gets up and goes now. Let's take a look under the hood. Yeah, and they were able to fit that in here. I guess it's no bigger than a 350 engine. And same weight. We put a Mallory ignition coil on it. Yeah. Racing fan. Took the thicker radiator. Got a sticker coming for the top of that. 455. And maybe I'll start it up here. Yeah, let's just start this up here. And you see it's only got 111,000. And it has the original AM/FM radio. That's deluxe. And somebody put oil pressure and temp gauge in. Good oil pressure. Sounds real nice. Has a 4-barrel quadrajet on it. Did have a Holly on it, but we were having too many problems with it. It wouldn't run right. So we put the original quadrajet back on it. I bought it on eBay. Rebuilt one. And that's a factory AC. In this car. Kind of something a little bit Yeah, that engine is out of a 76 Riviera, and they have the coil built right into the distributor. So this is an older one, and he went with the aftermarket coil. The only problem is that the gears in the rear end are so low that when your speedometer says 60, you're only going 40, and the engine's pretty revved up by then. So for driving it down the highway, it's not really a cruiser, but it's got the quick takeoff off the line and the original vintage hijackers in the back, air shocks. So it's kind of set up for racing. Yeah, that's actually the last time it was ever registered was 1990. And that's the same year I was born, so that's why I left them on. Yeah, it's good to get it out on the road and be driving it. Already took it to a car show. Gonna take it to a couple of cruisings. These are pretty underestimated muscle car. The Skylarks and the Buicks in general. The GS, I guess, was the muscle car of Buick, but the Skylark is still pretty good too. Like I said, this is a good sleeper car. Nobody would suspect that it's kind of souped up a little, being a four-door. But you gotta have four doors there to fit your friends in, take them for a ride. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.